Dental bridges are an everyday dental procedure that replaces missing teeth. They typically consist from several crowns placed on each side of the gap, with the false tooth, or teeth, within. The false teeth, also called pontics, may be constructed from a range of substances like alloy, gold, porcelain, or any combination of the above materials. There are a variety of bridges for dental use, such as bridges that are traditional, such as cantilever bridges, Maryland bridges, and implant-supported bridges. Each has distinct advantages and disadvantages based on the individual patient's needs and preference. Why are dental bridges needed, as well as what exactly are the advantages from having one? We'll explore the motivations behind bridges for dental use and the ways they could enhance your oral health and general living quality. One of the main motives for acquiring the dental bridge is to improve the function that your tooth. Teeth missing can cause it to be difficult to chew or speak correctly, and this can impact the quality of your life overall. If you replace missing teeth using dental bridges, you will enhance your capacity to speak and eat with no restrictions. Dental bridges also aid in maintaining the proper alignment of your teeth and stop them from sliding to fill in the spaces left by teeth that are missing. They can also prevent issues like bite issues or speech problems, as well as TMJ problems. Through maintaining proper alignment of your teeth, dental bridges also aid in maintaining the natural contour of your face and help keep your face looking younger. Another advantage of bridges for your teeth is the fact that they improve the appearance of your smile. Teeth missing can look unattractive and can affect confidence in yourself and confidence in yourself. If you replace missing teeth using dental bridges, you will be able to improve the look of your smile and be more comfortable with your appearance. Additionally, bridges for dental use can aid in distributing the force of your bite in a way that will help prevent stress to the remaining teeth. It can also help to prevent the wear and tear of the natural teeth and also lower the chance of developing dental problems like gum disease and decay. In the end, dental bridges offer an effective and flexible option for replacing teeth that are missing, as well as restoring functionality and appearance that your smile. If you're missing some or all of your teeth, you should talk to your dentist regarding the possibility of obtaining a bridge that can improve the health of your mouth and health. Dental bridges can be a useful instrument in dental care for replacing missing teeth and also restoring the appearance and functionality that your smile. If you are aware of the advantages of dental bridges and chatting about the options in consultation with your dental professional, you will be able to decide for yourself the possibility of a bridge that is an appropriate choice for you. Think about the benefits of bridges for dental purposes and the ways they could enhance your oral health and general quality of life prior to taking a decision on whether to purchase one for your own.